We got a race at that Jeep Compass. And race it also we get AC control, seat charger is there, seat charger is there. There's a sunroof is there. See that there's a 7-seater, that's not boot size we get. This is a very nice legroom is there. And coming to the where it got LED with shark antenna LED taillight is a Jeep refer defogger LED taillight feature there. It is a this is the camera, this is the midvan they are seeing there. Midvan is fully automatic boot, so very huge boot is there in this car.
So,
What features are getting in the Jeep Meridian?
sorry?
What features are in the Jeep Meridian?
Yeah.
What features are there?
You can check it out.
Now what are the key features आप चलेंगे?
So this is a 2-liter engine,
Okay.
which is 173 bhp at 350 Newton meter torque,
Okay.
and it comes with totally 4 different variants.
Okay.
That is longitude option, limited
Okay.
and overland.
Okay.
Limited and overland comes with a 4x4.
Okay.
So this is a longitude
Okay.
option variant,
Okay.
which is a mid variant, what we call it as.
Okay.
So in a longitude option, you get all the basic features.
Okay.
Whatever the features are needed, you get it in this.
Okay. Like an
So push start button, dual
Okay.
zone AC, automatic AC, automatic
Okay.
headlamps,
Okay.
automatic rain sensing wipers,
Okay.
and dual panoramic sunroof.
Okay.
The seats will be part leather, part fabric.
Okay.
Seats are part leather, part fabric with
Okay.
6 airbags.
Okay.
And you get the, on a safety wise, it is 5-star rating.
Okay.
So the vehicle has been manufactured in Pune,
Okay.
and it has been exported to 26 plus countries
Okay.
from here.
Okay. What are the safety features I'm getting in the car? What are current safety features are there in this car, in this model?
Sorry, sir.
Safety features.
Safety features: all 4 ABS with PPT,
Okay.
all 4 disc brakes,
Okay.
all 4 individual suspension.
Okay.
Suspension wise, we call it as a frequency selective dampening
Okay.
suspension.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the suspension what it is being used in the premium brand.
Okay. How much speakers are there? How much speakers are in this car currently?
How much?
Speakers.
Speakers. Speakers, 6 speakers.
Okay. Airbag.
Airbag, 6 airbags.
6 airbags. It was currently this was launched last year, na?
Yes.
Jeep, that's the same as the part year,
Yes.
na? Currently. Okay.
It's a longitude option variant.
Okay. This is a mid variant is here. This is a mid
Mid-variant, mid-variant, yes.
What's the top variant?
Top variant is overland.
Okay. What we get in top and mid variant feature difference?
So in overland you get features wise like you'll be having 360-degree camera,
Okay.
all
Okay.
leather seats,
Okay.
and you'll be having electrical adjustable seats to
Okay.
the front 2 seats,
Okay. Okay.
and 2 seats will be ventilated seats,
Okay.
and you'll be having 18-inch alloy wheels,
Okay.
and you'll be having the interior wise, you'll be having fully leather seats
Okay.
and 360-degree
Okay.
camera.
Okay.
All these things. you get.
Currently, how much is the
This is also a 18-inch alloy.
Damaged wheels all.
Yeah.
For top and mid variant, we get damaged with 18
No. It is the same design what you get it in the top end variant also.
In the mid and top and but same.
Yes.
With all features we get in the base. In the base, what we get in Jeep,
Base is 17-inch.
17 inch. It's a
Yes.
normal wheels all. In front, what the features are
But
different?
in base also you get the same variant.
Okay.
Same alloy wheels you get it.
Okay, they have damaged wheels all.
Yes.
In front, what the changes are there? In
Sorry?
front, what are changes in the
So this is a LED headlamps, what we call it as an
Okay.
LED headlamps with high definition headlamps.
Okay. Jeep performance LED over there.
Yes.
This is an automatic is there, na?
Automatic we have it.
board
Automatic
mana-
headlamps.
Okay.
Automatic rain sensing wipers.
Okay. Okay.
And these fog lamps are something special.
Okay.
Here you get the
This
fog
is
lamps.
a cornering lamp, na?
Yes, it's a cornering fog
Okay.
lamps.
What is
Cornering fog lamps is something
Okay.
when you are driving the vehicle,
Okay.
when you put the indicator on the left hand
Okay.
side,
Okay.
when you on the indicator to left, the
Okay.
automatic
Right
the
now.
left hand side
Okay.
indicator will get on.
Okay.
If you are putting on the
Okay.
right hand side, automatically right hand
Okay.
side
Okay.
indicator will
Okay.
get on.
Okay.
That is the one thing.
Because in this price, it's only one car of the cornering of in
Yes.
this price.
Yes.
Because only the Tata car has a feature in the lesser price range.
Yes.
But there's only one SUV, full size SUV getting cornering as well.
Yes.
And what is the future launch from Jeep currently? There's no much launches are coming from Jeep now currently.
So basically, Jeep doesn't have much launches at presently.
Okay.
They have only two variants.
Okay.
That is, one is Compass, one is
Okay.
Meridian.
Okay.
So this is the top selling brand what we have.
Okay. Again, the Compass is highest selling. Compass is the highest selling for the current Jeep.
Compass is highest selling. Yes.
Compared to this vehicle.
Yes.
Because this is not there's only people
Who needs 7-seater, they go with 7-seater.
Okay, it's a status car basically,
Yes.
almost.
It's a highly premium brand.
Okay, that's
It depends with a
much,
high premium
how much
performance.
colors are there? This is Unicron in a grey color, no?
This is a magnesia grey color.
Grey, okay.
Totally we have 5 colors.
5 colors.
Including this 5 colors.
Okay,
First is white,
white.
velvet red,
Okay,
and black,
okay,
green, and magnesia grey.
okay. White one, what kind of white are getting?
We have only pearl white, only one color.
The same white color, no?
Yes, same white.
Same white color.
Pearl white, and we have it magnesia grey,
Okay,
and we have brilliant black,
okay,
and we
Okay.
have velvet red,
okay,
and one more color is techno metallic green. It is.
okay,
So,
okay,
but techno metallic green is a military color. What we have it.
okay, okay. And this grill is only for the mid and top end, no? What is setup with the grill you are saying?
Yeah.
This comes only in mid and top end.
Yes.
Base one, there's no grill. Only
No, base variant you get the same thing,
Okay.
but top end you have something different.
Okay, okay. Because normally people with this SUV, they put it outside and after that they put that and other brands have seen, no?
Yes.
But Jeep comes with the stock only.
Yes, yes.
Everything is stock okay, comes here, no?
There is no need to change the grills.
okay. Actually, what is there in this car?
Accessories totally we have mud flap, boot mat.
Okay,
These all things in you
okay.
get.
What's the current package cost for that one?
Which one?
The accessory pack from the Jeep.
Accessories, these basic accessories of boot mat, mud
Okay.
flap,
Okay,
car cover,
okay.
duster,
okay,
and these things will be costing you around 25,000.
okay, okay.
This is the basic accessories.
Okay.
what we get.
If customer buys the base variant, he wants to put the top and accessory. Is it possible from the showroom, sir, or not?
No, it is not possible.
Okay. No, I'm not talking about the cruise control. None of the companies.
No, cruise control is something you
Okay.
get it only in the automatic.
Okay. I know that feature. No company can put it in the showroom. I think every brand. Other thing like the wheels, lights, they can put on showroom side. No. The
So
headlight.
inbuilt what you get it is the same thing.
Okay.
That is only enough.
In there, what you get lights are getting.
It is the same LED headlights.
Same only. Okay, so this only car in this segment we're getting in base or we're getting the same
Yes.
in like top and all. Okay. This is for the Skoda computer, no?
This can be compared with top highly brands, comparing with the BMW, Benz.
X5, no? X5
Yes,
no?
X5,
X7 or X5 actually?
X7.
X7, no? Okay. But it's not the right computer. X7 has a lot of tech features, no?
But
it is-
on a price wise, this is premium.
Skoda we can compare, no? The newly launched Skoda, that's not computer, right? Computer with this model. Okay. Audi also computer, no?
Yes,
The new Audi
it can
Q7.
be, it can be.
New Audi Q7. Computer their cars, so height is little shorter or wider, height wise?
Height
Compared to
wise,
the
it is
compared to their cars, X7 and Q7, yours is longer or shorter than them? No?
it's good. It's in better ground clearance. What we have it in this.
What's the only penalty for this car?
For this, it is 200.
Okay.
200 to 210 it is.
Okay. It's a decent ground drive, you can say.
Yes.
Almost. For the Bangalore connection.
Yes.
You come from which showroom? Bangalore showroom, no?
From Bangalore, sir.
We were there in JP Nagar. JP Nagar showroom, no? I like this grey color. Very nice.
Yes.
Because in Binali, we this color. Binali, XP, all this color, they have this color is there. Same color is given in this. Very nice color.